Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
At all. So we're gonna do an unboxing right now, and I'll just show you what. Okay. So she doesn't have a name. Only for you be yourself and stay unique. She has no name. In the box comes her curly self, cute little self. She comes in the box, of course, with the wig cap. A cute little baggie. Oh, a little silk baggie. That is so adorable. A little blue pink brush. What is going on with me today? This is a wig cap, but it's netted. And it also has a card that pretty much says, "Dear valued customer, thank you for purchase. It's an honor to provide goods for you. Hope you're satisfied with the items and our services. If you like our item, write down your feelings and let us know. They will be appreciated. Please leave us a positive feedback, which will be a huge motivation to us. Blah, 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 blah. Thank you." This wig is everything, though. I'm not going to lie. And on here, it shows you how to care for the wig, how to store the wig, and warm tips. I never heard of that. Anyway, so all that stuff comes in the box. Now, I already have a wig cap on, so we're just going to do what it do, daddy. Okay, so this is what Miss Thing looks like. She is a 1, I think. I don't think this is a 1B. I think she's a 1. Yes. Let me cut this off. She is supposed to be big, beautiful, and gorgeous. Hair friendly, okay? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So this is what... Oh. Just like that, she is everything. What? And I didn't even fluff her out yet. Oh, yeah, no. You wear her at a family function. You definitely showing out. Showing up and showing out. You hear me? Ooh. Woo, woo, woo. Hold on. Okay, so let's get into her. She has no combs. She has adjustable straps in the back. She is a 1B. You probably can't put no heat to her because it did not say on the card. I do not want to like further full out this wig because I'm probably gonna wear it somewhere. But the girl in the video, YouTube video that I saw, she fluffed this out and it was nice. But I like her like this. I like her like this. I paid about $40 off of Amazon for her, and yeah, she is doing things for me. She is doing things for me. I would definitely buy her again in other colors if I could. Look, I can even... Oh, this is giving me old school looks right here. Oh, yeah, see that? Ah, that looks so cute. No, she's nice. Wear her just like that. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below if you like her or if you don't like her. 'Cause I like her. Okay, so I did this look using my Beats by Deb. My eyes are really like watering right now, so it got all messed up in this area, but I think it came out pretty nice. As you can see, she's giving off so many like, oh my god, she's cute. Anyway, so yes, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the description box if you want to see more makeup videos, if you want to see more hair stuff, because I had a lot of wigs. I got a lot of wigs I can share, girl. Let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you guys will get notified. So thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.